Hello everyone, welcome to Vortech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or exchange your PC hard drive. First, disconnect your PC power cord and other wired devices. Unmount the PC cover and then look for your hard disk. Unplug your hard disk and unscrew it to exchange a new SSD or HDD. Screw the new SSD and plug it back to connect with your motherboard. Mount your cover and connect your PC with power cord to run the Windows installation. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos in future.